Yaris, nada más ahí.
Hola, hello.
Watch out.
Hello.
You and me choose one.
Hello.
Take turns.
On
Choose
turn.
one, and then I choose one.
Okay. But she said to whenever I'm done finishing.
Okay, chicas del coro.
Hold out your hand. Hold out your hand.
Yeah, give me.
But don't need it yet. On the count of 3.
Alright.
Cuando contemos hasta 3.
But we have to guess which one it is.
Pero es de la misma, ¿verdad?
Sí, pero tienes que adivinar qué es.
A ver.
No!
1, 2, 3.
It's
Barbecue!
Yeah!
Peter Piper.
I'm gonna put this. I'm
Oh,
gonna put
I
them
want
here.
this one. This one's a hard one.
But that's for you. Whatever.
¿Quién adivinó
Right.
pues?
Catherine!
I'm gonna put this. Oh yeah.
Chirio.
No.
She knows her Pringles.
In the count of 3.
Wait. Cuando contemos hasta 3, no.
Dale una papita a Mateo, una riquita. Esa de Barbie. Dale.
Esta es mía, esta de Barbie.
Ya se la dio.
Wait, here. Your mom doesn't have one. 1, 2, 3.
Sour cream.
No.
Vinegar.
No.
Salchicha.
Sí.
Oh.
Hot dog.
Hot dog. Ding ding. Oh yeah, it is.
Te pico la panza.
Then,
Okay, where?
which is this one next? I already got. No, not this one.
This is so
It
tastes good. I didn't like the dog one. I was like,
1, 2, 3. We are trying this afterwards.
sour cream.
Yes.
Are you kidding me?
My
I like this
keep
one.
track.
I like this one. And this one is actually. This is good.
Chimichanga.
She just.
No.
And it. Oh, your hair's in it.
That's so
That's
good.
yeah.
Damn.
1, 2, 3.
Cheeseburger.
No.
Pizza.
Pizza.
No, yo dije también pizza.
Y'all didn't say anything.
Hold out your hands, Katia.
I'm feeling like this
Then,
is the
huh?
one. Is that the one?
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Vaina
Cheeseburger.
Yes. Gotcha,
Vaina only.
I could feel the pickles.
Yeah.
Taste the pickles.
I don't like it.
Sabe a cheeseburger.
Put your hands.
Pickles.
Hold this. No.
I like pickles, but I don't like this one.
Hamburguesa del Burger
Put your
King.
hands.
I'm scared. Me too.
Which one is it?
I think this one is the
Oh.
devil. The devil one.
The vinegar.
Yes.
Queso cheddar.
Mi mamá gets it. We're mixing them up all over again, as you can see, because they saw.
Peter.
Now is whoa.
Where are ya? They're coming.
She just knocked it.
Oh.
Wait,
Wait, now calm down. Ew. 1, 2, 3. Vinegar?
No.
Ranch?
No.
Oh yeah, they're gonna start over.
See? I don't.
Sour cream?
No.
We're dumb. We're blindfolded. We can't see anything.
And me and Yum are next. Since we already.
Is it the dog one?
No. Which one? Oh yeah.
So this no
No.
cheeseburger.
Yes.
Woo!
At a point. Woo.
You got 1 point.
How many points do I have? 4. 4. How much does Katya have? 3.
I'm a failure.
1, 2, 3. Sour cream.
Yes.
Man,
And that's your favorite one, Catherine.
I like this one.
Is it?
Yeah.
Next one.
That's why it's called sour cream.
Okay, put your hands.
Where are you?
It looks like you want to shoot us.
Put your hand. 1, 2, 3. Vinegar!
Yeah. Catherine won it.
Salt and vinegar.
We'll both. Yeah, give them both a point. Oh my god.
Why did y'all do this to me? I hate vinegar.
Okay.
That's disgusting.
I'm just finding it away.
Okay, next
I
one.
like the vinegar one.
That's disgusting. It's worse than the cheeseburger. The cheeseburger was good.
And the doggity dog one.
The taco ones were nasty.
What?
Yeah, the taco one. The taco one
Because it had jalapeno.
is
Yeah.
disgusting.
Just tell us to win.
1, 2, 3.
Cheeseburger, pizza,
Uh-uh.
cheddar
Ranch.
cheese,
No.
barbecue.
Yes. Barbecue. Oh, if you're gonna
I
say
like this one.
I like this one.
Oh shit.
High five.
Barbecue's good. Got your cushion.
What are you?
Yeah.
Come on.
Okay.
I'm feeling good about this. Kiwi.
I
like it.
I tried the barbecue. Catherine. Oh.
I do like a little.
Here.
Chip.
Put your hand.
Oh.
1, 2, 3.
Which ranch,
No. No. It's which one? Is it?
cheeseburger, pizza.
Yep. Got the
dang it.
Which one are you giving them?
One.
Bum, 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 bum.
God, yeah, whenever she said.
Oh my god.
Throw it. Whenever she says.
Here.
You have to bite
1, 2, 3.
Taco.
Yeah, taco. I just like. Y'all are so bipolar. And so much. Wow. Y'all okay?
Yeah.
Y'all doing fine?
This was the taco one, right?
Yes.
Shoot, here goes the jalapenos.
It burns again. Oh my goodness.
Alright, come on.
Put your hand.
Put out your hand. Come on, Katia.
Are you okay, Katia?
Where is it?
1, 2, 3.
Ranch,
No.
cheddar cheese.
Hot dog.
Yes.
Wow.
Katia, you have to take time.
What's that smell? Wait. 1, 2, 3.
Can you wait? Cheddar cheese. Sour cream. Ranch.
Yeah.
Dang it!
You should have never tipped her.
I kind of like this. It's kind of good.
Oh.
It tastes like sour cream.
Yeah, a little bit, but
Yeah, it's related.
ranch alone is nasty.
Yeah.
Oh, disgusting.
Wait, don't bite it. Katia.
Katia! Stop it.
She's still eating. Wait. Get it down from your mouth, girl.
Get away.
1. Katia, put your hand. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
You were burned.
You missed.
The taco one.
No.
The red vinegar.
Yeah. Hi, Mateo.
It's the vinegar?
Yes.
It burns even more.
Wait, which one is it? Oh. I can tell, but you guys can't. So. There.
Oh, yeah, no. You want me to do the
One.
for y'all?
Yeah.
Can you wait?
1, 2, 3, go!
Cheeseburger.
No.
Pizza.
No.
Ranch. Shut up. Sour cream.
No. Stop being like one of the Morel twins. Remember they just kept guessing and guessing?
Until they got it.
I think it was Vanessa.
I don't know which one it is.
Oh my god.
Is it the cheddar cheese?
Yes.
She said cheddar cheese.
No, she didn't.
Did you?
Katia won.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
9 winner.
Katia got 9 and Catherine got 8.
One
One more time.
Thank
Da-na-na.
you for watching this video.
Nasty video of
Yeah.
us tasting this vinegar.
Disgusting. It burns my lips.
The taco one.
Disgusting. Don't ever try it.
Disgusting. Warning now.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
Too crazy for my own good. Janet Armour coming straight out the hood.